Looking to give your Toyota Tacoma's interior a serious upgrade, whether it's style, comfort, or protection, the right seat covers can do it all. In today's video, we're counting down the best Toyota Tacoma seat covers that combine durability, functionality, and a perfect fit for your truck. Let's dive in and find the perfect match for your ride. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the DrCarNow seat covers, a game changer for your Toyota Tacoma's interior. Designed specifically for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma crew cab and double cab models, these seat covers offer a perfect fit that feels like they were factory installed. Made from superior synthetic leather, these covers don't just look incredible, they add a touch of luxury while delivering top-notch comfort. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you fall in love with your truck all over again. Installation is a breeze, but here's a pro tip. Watch the DrCarNow installation video first to save yourself time and effort. Trust us, it's worth it. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and comfortable seat cover that doesn't just fit your truck but enhances it, DrCarNow is a solid pick. Stay tuned, because the next pick on our list raises the bar even higher. Taking the 4th spot on our list, we've got the Covercraft seat covers, an absolute workhorse for your Toyota Tacoma. These seat covers are custom patterned for a precise fit on 2016 to 2020 Toyota Tacoma models, ensuring they hug every curve of your seats perfectly. What makes these covers shine is the use of classic duck reef carhartt fabric. Known for its legendary durability, this material is tough enough to handle dirt, dust, and the everyday wear and tear of your truck's interior. Not only are they highly water resistant, but they're also easy to care for. Just toss them in the washing machine when it's time for a refresh. Practicality at its best, installation and removal, a breeze. You'll have them on and off in no time, making them as convenient as they are protective. If you're looking for rugged durability with a custom fit, the Covercraft seat covers are an unbeatable choice. We're climbing higher on the list. Our next pick will blow you away, so don't go anywhere. Sliding into number 3, we have the EKR Seat Covers, a fantastic upgrade for your Toyota Tacoma's interior. These seat covers are perfectly tailored for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma double cab, extended cab, and crew cab models, offering a custom fit that feels like they were made just for your truck. The secret to their durability lies in their 4-layer construction. With foam padding, a protective polyester shell, and a top layer of leather, these covers provide outstanding breathability, water resistance, and are super easy to clean. They're as practical as they are stylish. What's more, they fit like a glove, so seamlessly, you'd never know they weren't part of the factory interior unless someone told you. Now, a heads up, installation does take some time, but the result is high-quality, snug-fitting covers that elevate your Tacoma's interior to the next level. If you're searching for durability, premium looks, and a perfect fit, the EKR seat covers are a standout option. We're down to the top 2, stay tuned, because things are about to get even better. At number 2, we have the Tomatoman seat covers, the perfect fusion of style, comfort, and durability for your Toyota Tacoma. These seat covers are designed with customized precision to fit a wide range of Tacoma models, from 2005 all the way to 2025, including TRD Sport, Off-Road, Limited, SR5, V6, Trail Edition Pro, Nightshade, and even the iconic Back to the Future Pro race truck. Made from premium faux leather, these covers are waterproof, soft, and wear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting protection while giving your interior a luxurious upgrade. What really stands out is the ease of installation. These covers offer a quality texture and feel, with a professional look that's a breeze to set up. No frustration, just results. And let's not forget the comfort. They're super comfortable, making every drive feel like a first-class experience. If you want a combination of durability, style, and a flawless fit, the Tomatoman seat covers are an excellent pick for your Tacoma. The countdown isn't over yet. Our number 1 pick is coming up, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Finally, at the top of our list, taking the crown at number 1, we have the Luckyman Club seat covers, the ultimate upgrade for your Toyota Tacoma, specifically designed to fit 2016 to 2023 Tacoma crew cab models. These seat covers deliver a flawless, tailored fit that takes your truck's interior to a whole new level. Crafted from premium faux leather, they're padded with a thick, soft sponge, instantly transforming the look and feel of your seats. Not only do they add a touch of luxury, but they also make your seats way more comfortable. Perfect for long drives or everyday use. Installation, fairly easy. These covers fit like a dream, with beautiful stitching and high-quality craftsmanship that make them look straight out of the factory. And practicality isn't overlooked. The material is easy to clean, so spills and messes are no big deal. Whether it's durability, style, or comfort, the Luckyman Club seat covers truly check all the boxes. If you're looking for the best of the best for your Tacoma, the Luckyman Club seat covers are the obvious choice. And there you have it, our top 5 seat covers for the Toyota Tacoma. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck upgrade guides.